Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. There is Han Hyo Jo. She born on February 22, 1987. She is a South Korean film and television actress. She is best known for her leading roles in television drama series Springfield's Brilliant Legacy, Dongi and W, as well as the film Cold Eyes, for which she won Best Actress at the 34th Blue Dragon Film Awards and romance film The Beauty Inside. Han Hyo-jo was born in Cheongju, North Chungcheong Province. Her mother was an elementary school teacher before becoming an inspector for public schools, and her father was an Air Force officer. As a child, she was good in sports, particularly track and field. In her sophomore year of high school, she moved to Seoul and attended Bulgok High School. Despite the objections of her strict and conservative father, she then entered Dongguk University, where she joined theatre and film department. Hen started her career in 2003. Hen was first discovered in a teenage beauty pageant organized by Food Corporation Bingray in 2003. She began her acting career in the sitcom Non-Stop 5 and the gangster comedy film My Boss, My Teacher. Hen later raised her profile by starring in Springfield's The Four Final installment of TV direction Yoon Seok whose season drama series in 2006. Director Lee Yeon Ki cast Han is the starring role in his low-budget independent film At Lip Night, which follow a young woman who rediscovers herself through an erased overnight encounter with strangers. She won the Best New Actress award at the Korean Association of Film Critics Award and Singapore International Film Festival for her performance. In 2007, Han then starred in two highly successful TV projects and rose to fame: KBS teledrama Heaven and Earth with Park Han-jin in 2007 and SBS Masked Adventurer series Lijme with Lee Jong-ji in 2008. Both dramas drew solid viewership rating nationwide throughout its run with high viewer rating and launched Han into a household name. Afterwards, she was cast in another indie film Ride Away, which debuted at the 2008 Jeongju International Film Festival. Han then filmed the Korean-Japanese telecinema co-production Heaven's Postman, which also featured pop star Jae from TVXQ. After several postponements, it was released in theaters in late 2009 and broadcast on TV in 2010. In 2011, Han played a blind telemarketer opposite So Ji-sub's ex-boxer in the melodrama film Always, Han by director Song Lee-jeon. It premiered as the opening film of the 2011 Busan International Film Festival and later contributed voice narration to the barrier-free version of Japanese film My Backpage, which features descriptive audio and subtitles for people with hearing or visual impairments. Han then played the queen to Lee Byung-hun's Gwega in 2012 blockbuster period film Masquerade, which became one of the highest grossing Korean films of all time. She followed that with Love 9/11, an unlikely romance between a doctor and a firefighter. In 2013, Han starred opposite to Sol Keong-go and Jung Woo-sung in action thriller Cold Eyes, a remake of the 2007 Hong Kong film Eye in the Sky. The film dominated the box office after its release and became one of the biggest domestic hits of 2013. Han received acting recognition for her performance, winning Best Actress from the Blue Dragon Film Award and Bull Film Awards. In 2016, Han returned to the small screen with MBC's fantasy suspense series W alongside Lee Jong-suk, helmed by director Jung Dae-yeon, who directed She Was Pretty, and writer Song Jae-young, whose previous works include 9 Time Travel and Queen. In Hyun's Pan, expectation rise when this also remake Hyun's small screen comeback after 6 years. She won the Top Excellence Award at the 5th Appen Star Award and MBC Drama Awards for her performance in W. In 2018, Han starred in the thriller Golden Slumber alongside Kang Dong-won. The same year, she reunited with Kang as the female lead in sci-fi action thriller Elang the Wolf Brigade, based on the Japanese animated flick of the same name. In 2019, Han was confirmed as part of the main cast of American television series Treadstone, an offshoot from Universal Bonnie franchise. In 2020, Han was cast in a Japanese action film Teiyo wa Yugakani, directed by Ichiro Hasmui, based on the novel of the same name. Han played an elusive spy who travels across the world to handle requests, reuniting with Kang Ha-neul. Han confirmed his cast in The Pirates 2, a sequel to the 14 blockbuster The Pirates, marking her return to Korean cinema after 2 years since Ellen the Wolf Brigade. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.